Ever wondered why race cars have that loud, high-pitched whining sound while driving? It's not the engine, it's the gears. Race cars use something called straight-cut gears, also known as radial gears. Unlike normal street cars with slanted, quiet gears, straight-cut gears have teeth that meet directly, with no angle to smooth the contact. This design makes them super strong and efficient at handling high speeds and power, but it also creates that loud, constant gear whine you hear on track. So next time you hear that screaming noise, just smile. That's the sound of pure racing performance.